Hello everyone, today I will show you how to print a PDF file letter size using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. First open your PDF file with Adobe Acrobat Pro DC software, a PDF file. And here we will find this file option, select here. Now select this print option and select your printer, I'll choose Adobe printer and copies. You can print all of this page, a specific page and current page and actual size as the feet, and this is page orientation, landscape and portrait. RPDF file remain legal size. Now click page setup option. This is legal size. Now I'll select here this letter size option and now click OK. This letter size already selected. Now click this print option now and save PDF file location. Desktop. Yeah, a letter size PDF already printed. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.